Let's go! First question. Can you guess this organ? Brain, stomach, or pancreas? It's brain. Next question. Can you guess the organ? Amygdala, cerebellum, or hippocampus? C. Hippocampus. Number 3. This organ functions for chewing. It's mouth. Next question. Can you guess this organ? Liver, heart, or brain? A. Liver. Iris, eyelid, or cell? Iris. Any idea? Scalp, forearm, or eyelid? Eyelid. Next, stomach, kidneys, or lungs? Lungs. Thoracic vertebrae, sacrum, or lumbar vertebrae? Sacrum. Can you guess this organ? Radius, tibia, or femur? It's femur. Thyroid, ovaries, or testes? Thyroid. Guess the organ. Pancreas, brain, or heart? Heart. Fibula, radius, or tibia? Radius. Next question. Gallbladder, intestines, or brain? Intestines. Can you guess the organ? Aorta. Liver, stomach, or gallbladder? Stomach. Guess the organ. White blood cells. Neuron, mycocyte, or glial cell? Glial cell. Guess the organ. Skin, liver, or heart? Skin. Next, frontal lobe, temporal lobe, or parietal lobe? Frontal lobe. Spleen, pancreas, or gallbladder? It's pancreas. Can you guess this organ? Epidermis. Nose, ear, or eyes? Nose. Can you guess the organ? esophagus, spine, femur, or tibia. Spine. Any idea? Calves, abdominal, or biceps? Biceps. Can you guess the organ? Gallbladder. What is this? Skull, ribcage, or thigh bone? Ribcage. Next organ. Ankle, elbow, or knee? Knee. Metacarpals, phalanges, or carpals? Metacarpals. Can you guess this organ? Kidneys, scapula, radius, or ulna? It's scapula. Wow, what is this? It's sternum. Guess the organ. Tibia, femur, or patella? Patella. Deltoid, biceps, or triceps? Triceps. Next question. Maxilla, mandible, or zygomatic bone? It's mandible. Bladder, esophagus, or intestines? Bladder. Guess the organ. Pituitary gland. Any idea? Pharynx, trachea, or coccyx? It's trachea. Guess the organ. It's muscles. Last question. It's blood. Thanks for watching.